Balaram, Krishna Balaram, Jaya Krishna Balaram. Jaya Gauranitai, Jaya Gauranitai, Gauranitai, Jaya Gauranitai. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Jaya Jaya Prabhupada. Yashomati Nandana Brajapara Nagara Gokula Rangana Kana. Yashomati Nandana Brajapara Nagara Gokula Rangana Kana. Gopi Parana Dhana Madhana Manohara Kaliya Dhamana Vidhana Kaliya Dhamana Vidhana Amala Harinama Vilasa Amala Harinama Vilasa Vipina Purandara Navina Nagara Bara Banshi Badana Suvasa Varjana Palana Surakula Nasana Varjana Palana Surakula Nasana Nanda Godhano Rakhwala He Nanda Godhano Rakhwala Govinda Madhava Navani Tata यशोमती नंदन व्रज करुणागर गोकुल रंजन पाना जय कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद मां विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी इति नामिने नमः नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद जय ओ हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद
विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शत श्री श्रीमती शिवांकर सभा चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी शीला प्रभुपाद की जय। विष्णुपाद नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट शीला भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर महाराज की अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की नामाचार्य शीला हरिदास ठाकुर की प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की श्री मथुरा वृंदावन धाम की श्री मायापुर नवद्वीप धाम की पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की गंगा माई यमुना माई की भक्ति देवी तुलसी देवी की ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की श्री हरिनाम संकीर्तन यज्ञ की हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की श्री श्री कृष्ण बलराम की श्री श्री निताय गौरंग की श्री श्रीनिवास गोविंद की श्री प्रहलाद नरसिम्हदेव की। All glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to Sri Guru and Sri Gauranga, all glories to Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki। Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Guruvani Pacharane Nirvisesh Sunyavadi Paschat Vestarane। Kindly request everyone to please be seated. We have a couple of minutes of announcements.
Hare Krishna. I'd like to request everyone to please be seated. There are a few announcements and then we'll move on to our Narasimha prayers. So the first, at first, 1 second. Yeah. Hare Krishna. So we would like to acknowledge today's feast sponsors. So we have Sridevi Mataji and Manoj Prabhu, their son Maitreya, they have done Namkarna and they have sponsored today's feast. So Sridevi, yes, Sridevi, Manoj, are they here? If they, yeah, please come forward. Hare Krishna. So they're very active volunteers and we would like to congratulate them and thank them also. Please give them a big hand. Hare Krishna. So your son Maitreya, right? How old is he now?
He is less than a month.
Less than a month, okay, very nice. So we wish him a very happy Krishna conscious life ahead. And the name Maitreya, very unique. Nowadays we hear a lot of modern names, we don't even know what it means, but they have named a very traditional name, very powerful Maitreya. So very nice, thank you very much. Hare Krishna. So we would also like to acknowledge Ruby and family. Please come forward. They have also sponsored today's feast. Please give them a big hand. Hare Krishna. So these are the DT garlands. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. So is there any specific reason you have sponsored the feast today?
I just passed my board exam by the grace of Krishna ji. So
Very nice. Congratulations. Thank you. Very good. So we wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. And coming to announcements, we have a special guest coming. Most of you who might have been visiting our temple for more than a year, you might have known Chanchalpati Prabhu. Actually, last October he was here, so around 8 months ago. So he's going to visit us. He's going to spend 2 weekends with us. So the next Saturday, Sunday, and also the Saturday, Sunday after that. So we are planning to have a very nice session. One of the program we would like to mention is we have this yoga workshop, or let me call it Japa workshop. So very specific mantra yoga, Japa. So it's a very unique program. You can see we are doing this on 2 Saturdays, early morning, on the 31st and June 7th. And the way we have done it is 31st Saturday, we want to do it for Prabhuji's, for all the men. And on the 7th, we want to do for all the Mataji's ladies. This is especially because most of us have small children, and someone or the other is going to miss, right? If you have small children and you have to attend an early morning program. So we have done it such a way that we'll conduct 2 sessions, exact same sessions, and so one session 31st, all the Prabhujis, all the men can attend, and on the 7th, all the Matajis and all the women, they all can attend. That way, one of the parent will take care of the child while other attends the program. So we wanted to make sure nobody misses it. And please note the timing. It starts from 5 o'clock in the morning. So this is a very early morning schedule. It's going to be very blissful, very auspicious time. It's actually said Brahma Muhurta time, early morning, before the sunset. So it starts at 5 o'clock. So there will be Mangala Arati. Actually, every day in the temple, 5 o'clock, we'll do a nice Arati. It's called Mangala Arati to the Lordships. So you can all participate in the Mangala Arati. After the Mangala Arati, there will be Tulsi Puja. And then 5:30 to 7, everyone will chant together the Hare Krishna mantra, which we all do one round, 108 times. So we'll do for close to 1.5 hours. It will be a very nice, intense session in one sense. One will get a chance to repeatedly, continuously, constantly chant, with the association of a lot of devotees. We are expecting a lot of devotees to come. So it will be a very nice, blissful experience. Most of you might have felt good when you chanted one round for 10 minutes. So this is an opportunity to continuously chant as much as you can. So till 5:30 to 7. And 7:15 we have Darshanarti and Guru Puja. Again, this is every day we have this Darshanarti 7:15 and Guru Puja. After that, 7:45 to 9, that is very specifically, that's what we are calling workshop on chanting. So Chanchalapati Prabhu, he would spend some time with all the devotees who have gathered, and he would actually get into the intricacies of chanting. Every process there is a way to expertise once you know the ins and outs. Just like driving, once you learned very newly, you will be holding it both the hands and very carefully you're driving. But then once you become expert, even with a single hand, you drive very comfortably, right? So it's the same way. Any technique, especially this mantra meditation, it is a nice meditation process, and there are a lot of insights Chanchalapati Prabhu can give you, and also based on his personal experience. He has been practicing this form of meditation and in Krishna consciousness for close to 30 years now. So it will be a very valuable session for all the devotees who are interested to get some insight into chanting and to learn about a nice and a better way to chant and more efficient way. And then 9 o'clock there will be prasadam, and 9:30 to 10. So all the devotees will all gather again with Chanchalapati Prabhu. It's going to be a little informal at that time, so everyone will share their realizations and some practical session on chanting and some questions and discussions. So it will be a very nice session, very focused on japa, on chanting, because Krishna says in Kali Yuga, he has appeared in the form of the holy name, and doing japa is the only way of meditation or actual liberation or any yuga dharma. Japa is considered as the yuga dharma for this yuga. So it's the most essential activity for all of us. That's the reason we concentrate on making sure everyone gets a chance to chant one round of Hare Krishna mantra every Sunday. So please come next Saturday, 31st, all the Prabhujis, all the gentlemen, please come at 5 o'clock. It's little early, but it's worth every minute, every effort you take. It will be a very blissful experience. And the same thing on 7th June for all the Matajis, all the women devotees, you can come. So, and apart from that, we don't have a poster ready, but Chanchalapati Prabhu, he will be giving the Sunday class also, the Bhagavad Gita class on June 1st and June 8th, the Sunday class. That's also something you should not miss. As I was saying, he's been practicing for more than 30 years, and his realizations, his experience, there's a lot to learn and understand from him. So that's about it. The Sunday school, I have announced earlier, they have sessions, new quarter has started. If anyone has not yet enrolled, you can enroll again. So yeah, just want to mention the cleaning volunteers again. We want to make sure everyone gets an opportunity to do some service. So today, if anyone is interested, I think we might need 2 or 3 volunteers. After having prasadam, you can stop by at the kitchen and you can help in the cleanup or in the prasadam hall. So whoever is interested, you can raise your hand to help today. Okay, very nice. So we have one devotee here. I didn't get your name. Pavan. Okay, please give him a big hand. Pavan has volunteered today. Anyone else? Anyone else who wants to give company to Pavan? Hare Krishna. Prabhu, what's your name? Sorry? Michael, all right, Hare Krishna. Please give him a big hand. And yeah, so anyone else also who is interested, feel free to participate. She also raised her hand. Please give her also a big hand. What's your name?
Vanchika.
Vanshika, there she goes, full of energy. So, and the other thing I want to mention is we have a nice afternoon Bhagavad Gita calls. We have mentioned earlier also, we have these teleconference calls, especially, you know, studying and reading Bhagavad Gita, understanding. So actually, we've been having these calls for close to a year now. And so it is especially for, you know, targeted to Mataji's women at home around 12 o'clock. I think now they're doing 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock in the morning. So after your, you know, husbands have gone to the office, children have gone to the school, you have some time. This is a good way to connect with other like-minded Matajis and study Bhagavad Gita. So 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock every weekday, right? So every weekday we have these conference calls. All you have to do is just dial in. You know, if you want to actively participate, you can make sure you get a copy of Bhagavad Gita, or you can go online. You know, you can read the verse for that day and participate in the discussions. So the format is, you know, they will read a verse and they will read the explanation by Swami Prabhupada, just like we do here at the temple. And then there will be a casual discussion, trying to understand, you know, how this goes. And our Kalyani Mataji, she is there. She can raise her hand. Yeah, there she is. So she'll be leading the calls, and you know, she's been doing it for a year. And I've heard from a lot of devotees who have participated in her calls. You know, they feel very blissful. You know, they have recently completed full Bhagavad Gita in 1 year, 18 chapters. So I think we should give them a big hand. Hare Krishna. And all the devotees who had participated, you know, they were amazed, because, you know, life just goes on years and years, right? Every year, one more birthday, we keep celebrating. But nothing really tangible has been achieved. But during the last 1 year, you know, something nobody even envisioned, they all had completed Bhagavad Gita, you know, completely. Not just, oh, I read one verse, I know a little bit, my grandma told me something about it. It's not like that. They have read the whole Bhagavad Gita. They have a very clear understanding. And obviously, you know, a lot of maturity in life, the whole perspective changes. So it's a very wonderful opportunity. Please see one of us. And we are planning to send out a campaigner email also. There will be more details. So anyone who is interested, please join the calls. It will be at 11 o'clock every weekday. Even if you can't participate, I would recommend, you know, just join, put it on speakerphone, do what you're doing, and you will still be benefited. All right. So that's about it for today. We'll move on to Narasimha prayers. Hare Krishna.
Namaste Narasimhaya. जय विघ्न विनाशाय श्री प्रहलाद नरसिंहदेव की जय। जय प्रहलाद महाराज की जय। जगत गुरु शिला प्रभुपाद की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। महाप्रसादे गोविंदे नाम ब्राह्मणी वैष्णवे स्वल्प पुण्यावतां राजन् विश्वासो नैव जायते शरीरा अविद्याजाल जोडेन्द्रियता है काल जीव चले विषय सागरे तारा मज्जे जिहाती लोभो मोह सुदुर्मति ताके जता कठिन संसारे कृष्ण बरो दोया मोय कोरी बार जी हजार स्वप्रसाद न दिलो भाई सेन नामृत पाओ राधा कृष्ण गुण गाओ प्रेमे डाको चैतन्य निताय जय निमाय जय निताय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैता गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामा राम राम हरे हरे। जय श्री कृष्ण बलराम गौर निताय श्रील प्रभुपाद महाप्रसादम की जय।
Hare Krishna, everyone can come forward and take the Shatari blessings of the Lord.